If you've been on the internet, it's no secret that the ProCharger kits for the 2024 Mustangs are about to hit the streets. But before we get into that, I'm going to take the time to answer the top 5 questions that you all have had for us. Starting with the number 1 question, which I thought was going to be about power, it wasn't. It's about boost. You all want to know exactly how much boost this thing's going to make. And I'm here to tell you, it's more than 9, it's more than 10, it's more than 11, it's even more than 12. A little bit over the 12 PSI mark. How much does it make? Meaning horsepower was the second question. 700, not even good enough for us to talk about. 750, oops, starting to get there. This kit makes over 800 horsepower on pump gas. Key word. Your third most popular question was, can you turn it up? Yes. Yes, you can. ProCharger engineers took the time to make sure all the parts and pieces were there for you to be able to turn up the boost and the power level as long as you had adequate octane in the tank. That means bigger injectors, fuel system upgrades, and obviously a supercharger head unit that can accommodate up to 1,000 horsepower. Same with the intercooler. The fourth question you all had was, do I get to keep my dual throttle bodies? Absolutely. It's one of the cool key features to this new body style Mustang, and it would have been a shame to swap manifolds and just go to a single unit. The final and one of the most important questions was, does it come with a warranty? Absolutely. There's not only a warranty on the ProCharger system, you can also get a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Yes, even with boost. So, to wrap this up, if you have any more questions about the 24 Mustang Supercharger system or any other supercharger system that ProCharger makes, please do not hesitate to reach out or visit us at ProCharger.com.